Along the Adriatic Sea, there is this beautiful country called Croatia. The country known for its beautiful beaches, clear blue waters, and historic landmarks with medieval buildings. If you have not visited this country yet, don't forget to add it to your bucket list of countries to visit. Today, we are going to look at Croatia's first and most famous national park, known as Plitvice Lakes National Park. Plitvice Lakes is the oldest and largest national park in the Republic of Croatia. With exceptional natural beauty, this area has always attracted thousands of nature lovers. The Plitvice Lakes National Park offers visitors 7 different beautiful walking routes to tour the lake system, and also 4 hiking trails. Strolling the lakeside paths of Plitvice is a highlight of a visit to Croatia. One must not miss it. The startling natural phenomenon of forested hills and turquoise lakes is stunningly scenic, so beautiful that in 1979, UNESCO proclaimed it a World Heritage Site. There are 16 crystalline lakes that tumble into each other via a series of waterfalls and cascades. Visitors can enjoy strolling around the park through wooden pathways which is built throughout the park. As you walk along the pathway, your eyes would feast on the thick forest and tall grasses. As you walk, be prepared to be engulfed in the serene beauty that is all around you. There are also several beautiful naturally formed waterfalls all throughout the park, which would be the highlight of your visit. The beautiful and unique waterfall will definitely take your breath away. The beautiful waterfall, surrounded by lushy green trees, is a sight to look for. The crystal clear water is filled with different kinds of wild fishes, ducks, and sometimes even snakes. Don't forget brown bear, grey wolf, and lynx, also with many rare species, roam the forest freely. This huge park, spreading over 300 square kilometers, have access at different points. There is also a ferry service that would take you across the lake. You can sit back, relax, and enjoy the views from the ferry. The park is open daily all year around, with longer opening hours during summer. If you are planning for a visit to Croatia, do not miss to visit this beautiful national park. We are here to take you on a journey to different parts of the world. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. If you want to watch the beauty of Croatia from above, I have provided the link in the comment section. Do check it out.